Today, hard workers at the right price are often hard to come by. There are hundreds of people fiercely competing for jobs, and it's hard to determine which one is the best candidate for the job. Introducing the Workbox app. Workbox is the latest innovation for people wanting to hire someone for a job. Workbox is not like other job applications. Workbox is specifically tailored for job seekers and allows job seekers to bid for the jobs they want. Job seekers can create a personal profile, add pictures of themselves and their work, provide information about themselves, and even show reviews from previous employers. Job seekers can specify a category of their expertise and be alerted of jobs in that category within a distance they specify. Or they can do their own search for jobs they're interested in. This is where things get interesting. Employers can then filter through those prospective candidates and their job bids and offer the job to the most competitive bid. Whether you're an employer looking for a carpenter to help you hammer out the details, or looking for a plumber to keep you in the clear, or looking for an extra hand because the old landscaper just wasn't cutting it, Workbox will help you gain the competitive edge in choosing the best employee for the job. So what are you waiting for? Put the app to work. Download Workbox today.